In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your recently played songs on Spotify. Okay, so for this to work, you will need a Spotify playlist. So you can select any playlist that you have. So in this case, I'm just going to select main playlist at the top there. And then you want to go ahead and find the three dots. In my case, it's three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. But if you have an iPhone, it might be three horizontal dots somewhere in the middle of the screen. Tap on that, and then you want to tap on the first option that says add songs. Then it's very simple. All you need to do is scroll to the right. And now it says recently played. Now it doesn't have every single song that you've recently played, but it does have a good amount of them. So you can go ahead and see if you played a song within the last 24 hours or so and you want to go ahead and find it again, you can go to the recently played and find it. So it's very simple, and that's how you do it. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.